Have you ever wondered where you can deposit cash for your stash account? It's a question that many stash users ask, and in this video, we're going to answer it definitively. So, let's dive right in. Stash is a popular investment app that allows you to invest in stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares. But what happens when you want to add some cash to your account? Well, there are a few different ways to do it. Method 1. Bank transfer. One of the most common methods is to transfer money from your bank account to your stash account. This is a simple process that can be done in just a few clicks. Here's how it works. Log into your stash app. Go to your account settings. Select Add Money. Choose Bank Transfer. Follow the prompts to link your bank account. Once you've linked your bank account, you can transfer money to your stash account instantly or schedule a future transfer. This method is convenient and straightforward, making it a popular choice for many stash users. Method 2. Debit card. Another option is to use your debit card to add money to your stash account. This is a quick and easy way to fund your account, but there are a few things to keep in mind. Instant funding. When you use your debit card, your funds will be available instantly. Potential fees. Some banks may charge fees for using your debit card to make online purchases. Security. Be sure to use a secure internet connection when adding money to your stash account using your debit card. Method 3. ACH transfer. If you're looking for a more secure and cost-effective way to add money to your stash account, you may want to consider an ACH transfer. This is a type of electronic funds transfer that is often used for recurring payments. Security. ACH transfers are generally considered to be more secure than debit card transactions. Cost-effective. ACH transfers typically have lower fees than debit card transactions. Processing time. ACH transfers may take a few days to process. Method 4. Check deposit. Finally, you can also add money to your stash account by depositing a check. This is a slower process than the other methods we've discussed, but it can be a good option if you have a check that you want to cash. Processing time. Check deposits can take several days to process. Mobile check deposit. Many banks now offer mobile check deposit, which can speed up the process. Consider your funding needs. When choosing a method to add money to your stash account, it's important to consider your funding needs. If you need to add money quickly, a debit card or bank transfer may be the best option. If you're looking for a more secure and cost-effective option, an ACH transfer may be a better choice. Be aware of fees. Some banks may charge fees for using your debit card or making ACH transfers. Be sure to check with your bank to see if there are any fees associated with these methods. Keep your account secure. Always use a strong password and avoid sharing your account information with anyone. So, there you have it. These are the different methods you can use to deposit cash for your stash account. Whether you prefer a quick and easy method or a more secure and cost-effective option, there is a method that is right for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.